Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, and what we have seen whenever there is a range breakout happens, okay, we have seen that continuously 3 upside and 3 highs we have seen in 2024. Okay, a level of around 2433, a level of around 2449, and then a level of 2483. This is the 3 high we have seen. Now probability is higher that we can see because it is close to its third high. Probability of further upside we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, whenever the gold is making new high, we have seen a sharp fall, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and if you look at this particular trends, the range high was at around 2073. When there is a zone breakout happens, we have seen the price of gold has moved further upside. Okay, coming back on the dollar index, what we have index started going below a level of 103. Okay, and when the price of dollar index started going below this level, now it is trading at a level of 102.7 and chances of going towards 102 we can see. And as soon as the price of dollar started going down, we can see the price of gold will come up. And if the price started sustaining above 103, a further upside movement we can see because it will move in this zone. So probability of touching 103.5 we can see, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of dollar index. Okay, so if the price of dollar started going upside, we can see the gold will come down. Similarly, if it started going down, we can see the gold will rise. Now, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, probability is higher, it can go again towards a level of $2473. Okay, which is today's high. We have seen it has made half around 2473, and if the price started sustaining above that level, we can see a level of $2476, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards $2483. As soon as the price started going above 2483, probability will be higher that it can cross a level of 2485, and you have to understand in that zone that once the price started sustaining above this level, you can trail your SL by $10 to $15, and if the price of started going upside by trailing this level, you can capture the maximum movement and a probability of crossing a level of 2530 we can see, and then further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can fall again towards a level of 2459, and if the price didn't sustain that level, we can see it can touch a level of $2449. Keeping that in mind, that if the price started falling below that level, probability of going towards 2429 we can see, and then a further downfall we can see below a level of around $2418, and if the price moving below that particular zone, chances of falling below a level of 2400 we can see. And you have to keep it in mind, as soon as the price started falling below 2400, we can see it will touch a level of 2385, and then a further low we can see. If any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Keep that in mind, that as soon as the price started moving out of the zone, a probability of going towards 2400, a further downfall we can see.